Hello everyone, we're going to remove a wallpaper on your iPhone and set a new one. I'll show you how to delete your current wallpaper and start fresh in just a couple of minutes. Grab your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. Now tap on Choose a new wallpaper at the top. At this point, you'll see all your current wallpapers. To delete the one that you don't want anymore, all you have to do is set a new one. Tap on any image that you'd like to use as a new wallpaper. You can pick from Apple's default wallpapers or select one from your photo library. After choosing a new wallpaper, you'll see an option to set it as a lock screen, home screen or both. Choose one or both. And just like that, your old wallpaper is replaced with a new one. Your previous wallpaper is now deleted and it's no longer in use. If this video helped, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe and tap on the notification bell for more tips.